The world of marriage, a journey to strength and independence. Imagine having everything: a high-status job, a beautiful home, a well-behaved child, and a successful husband. You might feel like you've won at life. But what if your perfect husband has been cheating on you and planning to secretly take your family's wealth? Everyone else knows, and they're waiting for your reaction. This story is about a woman who, after discovering her husband's betrayal, makes a surprising decision. In the beginning, many women feel self-doubt after finding out their partner has been unfaithful. It breaks the illusion of perfection, especially when you realize the man you've supported for years is secretly plotting behind your back. Her husband, Lee Diao, sees her as capable and self-sufficient, but he also enjoys the attention from his lover. At midlife, infidelity isn't about love. It's about insecurity and a need for validation. Many women, after being betrayed, blame themselves, thinking they aren't good enough or don't deserve love. After discovering her husband's affair, she experiences the first emotional phase: confusion and disbelief. The breaking point comes when she learns that their son knows about his father's betrayal and even helps keep it a secret. Unable to accept her family falling apart, she gives her husband a chance to admit his mistakes, but he continues his affair, and she finally lets go of any hope. From heartbreak to seeking revenge, her journey is one of emotional growth. Initially, she considers drastic actions but realizes her son is watching and doesn't want to hurt him. She chooses a more calculated approach, ruining her husband's reputation, manipulating his betraying friends, and seeking legal advice on how to regain control of the finances. She learns that regaining control is more important than seeking revenge. She also realizes that infidelity isn't always about her shortcomings. Sometimes it's about the man's own insecurities. Her husband's need to find a younger woman stems from his feelings of inadequacy. The key takeaway is that a woman's worth is not defined by her husband's actions. Even the most perfect wife can be betrayed. The highest level of dealing with betrayal is self-forgiveness and rebuilding yourself. Over time, the woman learns that staying stuck in anger or seeking revenge doesn't lead to peace. She focuses on healing, becoming emotionally and financially independent, and creating a new path. In the end, she reclaims her life and happiness.